Dancehall Hall producer Myrie made an important first step to heal the rift with his superstar father, Mark Buju Banton Myrie, with a heartfelt post on Instagram on Monday morning. The post begins, "I am a man. One who refuses to carry the burdens of the past into a future that will see me with children. For their sake, I will break the generational curse. My only regret is that I allowed myself to be so blinded by anger that I said things about my father and to the public that I shouldn't have said, but let he without sin cast the first stone. I have no hatred for my father." Myrie continued, "My only disappointment is the undelivered expectation of a father who refuses to see fatherhood as more than just a title and financial support. Your absence has nothing to do with prison and you know that. Still, I forgive you regardless. I hope one day you decide to be a better father. Don't do it for me, do it for my siblings who are suffering, emotionally." The younger Myrie concluded, "When you love people, you tell them the truth regardless of repercussions, for example this ridiculous altercation. Many of you may think that you know the situation, but remember that you weren't there and he's my father, not yours. I ask you all to please keep the family in your prayers as I will. I love you Buju." He had earlier posted an undated photo of himself with his dad. It appears that Marcus will no longer attempt to press assault charges against his father regarding the alleged altercation between the two.